Look at these babies. We got little baby right here. And I got the tiny poo-poos over here. Lucy. You savage beast, you. Yes, you savage. Yeah, Lucy's right here. Looney loves you sleepies. Yeah, you love sleepies. And you got stinky poops over here. Let's see. You're so funny. Yeah, you're so funny, baby. Yes, you are. We'll go find Kitty. And Kitty will give you some kisses. Luna loves the purps. Yes, you love purps. Yes, you do. Luna loves the purps. Yes, you do. Purps are fun. Yes, the purps are fun. Yes, get my berries. I love my berry rubs. Yes. I love the berry rubs. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you're so pretty. Oh my goodness. And look at Lucy. She's a pretty baby. Got pretty colors. Look at those colors. You're so pretty colors. What are those? Pretty colors. Oh my goodness. What? What is it? You want to come over here so I can give you some kisses? You want to come over here? Lucy? You want to come over here? You just want to go to the park. Yes, you just want perks. Perks all day long. I know your tricks, Lucy. I know all your tricks. Yep. I will be your best friend if you take me to that park. Yes, I love perks. That would be great, thank you. I love my burps. Burps are good. That way I can see everything. I know where all the doggies are at. I will go. I love to go. Oh, you poor thing. Oh my goodness. We poor babies. Oh. I know now. What you doing, baby?